नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप और कैसा चल रहा है आपका क्वारंटीन स्लैश लॉकडाउन। तो क्या क्या हो रहा है आपके घरों में, और क्या आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि अरे मैं बाहर नहीं जा पा रही हूँ, सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू गो टू द जिम, सो माई फिटनेस इज जस्ट लाइक coming down, I'm feeling more tired and stuff like that. So to keep your spirits up, what we did is that 2 weeks ago हमने आपको दिखाया कि आप घर पर कौन कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकते हो. So we had an exercise series, then we had a food series which we concluded just last week. Then we thought, अरे boss, why not merge the two and have one more series where we talk about one simple exercise that you can do at home, one simple diet tip that you can do at home, and give a head start to your fitness. So the Head Start project में आपका स्वागत है, आप सभी लोगों का. What does the whole Head Start project stand for? It stands for home exercises and diet. And you know why this is a head start to your fitness? Because at least 75% of your fitness is determined or influenced by what you do at home, what you do indoors, what you do in your office spaces. क्योंकि ट्रूली हम लोग कितना सारा टाइम इंडोर्स रहते हैं, एंड देन ओनली 25% इज अबाउट व्हेन यू गो आउट एंड ट्रेन, व्हेन यू बिगिन टू हैव एक्सेस टू योर जिम एंड साइकिलिंग एंड स्विमिंग एंड कराटे एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. तो 75% तो श्योरली हम लोग हमारा फिटनेस लेवल्स अप कर पाएंगे. एंड देन व्हाट वी विल आल्सो डू इज दैट वी आर गोइंग टू बी रिलीजिंग अ फॉर्म एट द एंड ऑफ दिस. So do fill that up. We are going to be tracking your energy levels, your constipation, your moods, your sleep level and stuff, and check how the Head Start is influencing these parameters. आप ये शायद जानते ही होंगे that even a big company like Infosys is now saying that 75% of its workforce will work from home, which essentially means that even huge companies are now realizing the potential of being indoors and continuing with their trade, with their profits, with their business. So surely if it's just personal business of staying fit and healthy, we need to get this head start. So all right, starting first with exercise. All right. So you're going to be getting one exercise tip and one diet tip every day for the next 5 days. All right. And then you have to fill the form. Okay, so I'm first going to show you the exercise. What is this exercise? Well, it's a very simple exercise, and what it is going to need is my chair. मैं तो ये chair को I'm going to like trademark this chair. Okay, it's going to need a chair on a wall, ताकि वो फिक्स्ड रहे और वो हिले नहीं. और उसके बाद में we are going to do this. This is good for everyone with back problems, with knee problems, even the ones with digestion problems. If you have diabetes, you can do this. If you have obesity, you can do this. If you get period cramps where your thigh gets a cramp, a lot of girls on the first or second day of their period, they have a thigh which cramps. So this is good for everyone. This is going to help you stretch your quadricep, which is the front of your thigh, and also your hip flexor. ठीक है, तो ये आपके पूरे पैर को स्ट्रेच करेगा. आपको क्या करना है, चेयर के थोड़ा सा आगे जाना है. Then you put your foot up on the seat of the chair. Put your hands on your waist. अभी तो आपको सब पता ही है. Lift your quads up and roll your thighs inside. Lift your chest up, squeeze your shoulder blades together, put your hands up on your hips, and then simply lower the leg. Okay, तो bend कर कीजिए आपके leg को. तो ये वाला भी bend रहेगा और नीचे वाला भी bend रहेगा. Your knee has to point straight down. Hold it for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly release. तो आराम से ऊपर उठिए. All right, and then चेंज. तो फिर दूसरा पैर को ऊपर रखिए, बेंड एंड स्टे. सो 5, 4, 3, 2 एंड 1. जो पैर आपका ज़्यादा दुखता है उसमें थोड़ा स्लो काउंट कीजिए. नहीं तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि जो पैर काम नहीं करता उसको 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 ऐसा काउंट करके छोड़ देते हैं. सो डोंट डू दैट. फॉर ऑल दोज ऑफ यू हु आर वरीड अबाउट देयर बैलेंस, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज चेयर को ऐसे लगा दीजिए वॉल पे. ओके, एंड विथ वन हैंड सपोर्ट योर सेल्फ ऑन द वॉल. then put your foot behind and go down. The idea is नी को पीछे के तरफ जाने दीजिए. जो पैर आप सीट पे रखते हो, the knee needs to point down and behind. And when you're done, okay, if you are okay with your balance, you can do it like this. If not, turn the chair around and stretch your other leg. Okay, make sure the chest is tall. आगे मत झुकिए. Tall. All right? Cool. So this is the one exercise that you're going to do. अभी ये जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, I'm going to be showing you one exercise every day. I'm going to be giving you one diet tip every day, but I want you to be doing it cumulatively. तो what is the meaning of cumulatively? Cumulatively मतलब आज मैंने आपको जो भी दिखाया वो आपको आज प्रैक्टिस करना ही है, लेकिन कल मैं आप जो दिखाऊंगी आपको आज वाला कल के साथ भी प्रैक्टिस करना है. तो कल आप करोगे 2 exercises and 2 diet tips. Day 3 you will do 3 exercises, 3 diet tips. That's how we will work at building our fitness. And this is simple to do. So don't say कि time नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है and stuff like that. Alright, so this is the one diet, this is one exercise that I want you to do. What's the diet tip? The diet tip is about tea and coffee. What about tea and coffee? Alright, let me get little serious. अभी seriously आपसे बात करती हूँ. So the thing about tea and coffee is that don't start your day with a cup of chai or coffee. जब आप दिन की शुरुआत करते हो तो दिन की शुरुआत किसी भी स्टिम्युलेंट या टॉक्सिक चीज़ से नहीं होनी चाहिए. प्यार, मोहब्बत, सत्व से दिन की शुरुआत होनी चाहिए. सो 3 ऐसे मौके हैं जब आपको चाय या कॉफ़ी नहीं पीनी चाहिए. What are those 3 times? Okay? Not as first thing in the morning. मतलब क्या? मतलब आप कुछ खाइए पहले. You can start your day with a handful of nuts or with a banana and then have your tea or coffee, or you can have your tea and coffee after your breakfast, but you cannot have it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right? Green होएगा तो भी नहीं, उसमें कुछ बुलेट डाल के या फैट डाल के पियोगे तो भी नहीं. Basically, don't start your day like this. Then the second thing is that you cannot have it as a replacement to a meal. So this may not happen right now, but ये बहुत सारा जब लॉकडाउन खुलता है तभी ये हो जाता है, स्पेशली वर्किंग लोगों के साथ कि हम लोग का लंच टाइम पर नहीं होता. इट डजंट हैपन बाय 12 और 1, लेकिन हमको भूख तो लग जाती है और लंच कुछ ऐसा लगता है that lunch may happen and maybe at 3 o'clock, at 3:30, for some people it's even at 4 p.m. So for all those of you who routinely have delayed lunches, what tends to happen is that at 12 o'clock, at 1 o'clock, again at 2 o'clock, you just keep having tea or coffee. So do not do that. Don't have it as a replacement to a meal. Instead, just have a fruit, and you can have any local fruit. You know, mangoes in season right now, you can have that. You can always have a banana, have anything that is in season at that point of time. Or simply quickly have like a roti and sabzi, you know, roll it and have it, but don't have chai or coffee in its place. You can even have a handful of nuts, kuch peanuts kha liya aapne, that is also excellent. And now this is extremely important for all those of you right now during the lockdown and even later. पर ये lockdown के time पे जिन भी लोगों को नींद नहीं आ रही है, लेकिन इश्क, प्यार या मोहब्बत भी नहीं हुई है, तो आपको सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ हुई है कि आप शाम के 4 बजे के बाद चाय या कॉफ़ी पी रहे हो. जिनको भी कॉन्स्टिपेशन हुआ है, जिनको भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत डल और बोरिंग हो रहा है, जिनको भी लग रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा शुगर क्रेविंग हो रहा है, all that you are doing is that you land up having your chai and coffee after 4 p.m. So you can have your tea and coffee, have your tea and coffee, you know, like the way you like it. तो अगर आपको शुगर के साथ अच्छा लगता है आप शुगर के साथ पियो, आपको मिल्क के साथ अच्छा लगता है आप मिल्क के साथ पियो, आपको मसाला के साथ अच्छा लगता है आप मसाला के साथ पियो. जैसे आपको अच्छा लगता है वैसा पियो, लेकिन उसको अब्यूज मत करो. मतलब दिन की शुरुआत उससे मत करो, दिन का एंड उससे मत करो. ओके, ना आरंभ ना अंत, उससे मत करो। और खाना नहीं खाना या लेट हो रहा है इसलिए और एक चाय या कॉफ़ी टकाया, ऐसा भी मत करो। इफ़ यू फॉलो दिस, व्हाट विल हैपन इज दैट यू विल लैंड अप हैविंग tea or coffee about 2 to 3 times in the day, and that much is okay. All right, so that's what you need to remember about chai and coffee. मुझे आपसे और एक बात करनी थी, बट देन आई थिंक वी आर ऑलरेडी, बहुत लंबा है ये वीडियो, है ना? सो मे बी आई शुड टॉक अबाउट इट राइट नाउ, पर ठीक है, आई थिंक देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस, सो मे बी आई कैन आंसर दोज। और शुड आई टेल यू अबाउट माई कॉन्सेप्ट? क्या करूँ, चलो मैं बोल ही देती हूँ। बहुत सारे चाय और कॉफ़ी को लेके जो हमारे माइंड में कंफ्यूजन रहता है, या कोई भी फूड को लेके जब हमारे माइंड में कंफ्यूजन रहता है, तभी हमको हमेशा खुद को एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहिए। एंड दैट क्वेश्चन इज कि ये खाना मेरे कमर को, ओके, मतलब मेरे वेस्ट को, मेरे पैसे को, मतलब मेरे मनी को, और मेरे कचरे को, मतलब अगेन मेरे वेस्ट को कैसे इन्फ्लुएंस करता है। सो यू कैन थिंक ऑफ दिस एज KPK। फॉर ऑल दोज ऑफ यू हु आर मुंबईकर्स, टिपिकली वी टेंड टू यूज KPK व्हेन वी आर सेइंग खाओ पियो खिसको। किधर भी हमको जाने का है, बट हमको एक्चुअली मन से नहीं जाना है, बट हमको जस्ट अपना फेस दिखाने का है, तो हम लोग बोलते हैं चलना KPK, मतलब जाते हैं, खाते हैं और निकल जाते हैं, खिसक जाते हैं। और यू कैन इवन यूज, you know, if you're cool and you don't use KPK, then you can use WMW. Okay, now what does this mean? What this means is that how is the chai or coffee being sold to you? Are they selling you घी वाला शॉट में कॉफ़ी, या बटर वाला कॉफ़ी, या कोकोनट ऑयल वाला कॉफ़ी, या ग्रीन टी ऑन द प्रिमाइस के ये आपका कमर कम करेगा? लेकिन ये आपका कमर कम करने का प्रॉमिस करता है, लेकिन क्या होता है कि आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा ले लेता है, और बहुत सारा वेस्ट या कचरा भी इससे प्रोड्यूस होता है। तो ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग दैट इज सोल्ड टू अस ऑन द नेम ऑफ वेट लॉस डज एग्जैक्टली दिस, दैट वी आर टोल्ड कि इससे कमर कम होगी, पर इससे एक्चुअली सिर्फ फूड इंडस्ट्री का प्रॉफिट बढ़ता है और पृथ्वी का या अर्थ का कचरा बढ़ता है। सो ट्राई एंड नॉट डू दोज kind of things, you know, whether it is a cereal, whether it is anything at all. So this is what is important. And now if you have questions, I'll maybe just take top 3. All right, shoot.
Okay. So about the exercise, people with knee pain, can they do that?
Yes, you can do that, but you need to go slow. See, what happens is that when you see someone performing an exercise, you feel like, okay, I have knee pain, I'm not going to do anything, I won't be able to do this. But then what else are you going to do? If you're going to stay inactive with your knee, then it's going to get even worse. Sitting is the worst thing that you can do for your knee. So try and start with 1 count. If you can't start with 1 count, at least try with trying to put your knee up. Okay, so try with small things that you can do. You don't have to do everything that you see on the video, but you have to start mobilizing and strengthening the muscles around your knee.
Okay, so for tea and coffee, can we have water first and then have tea and coffee in the morning?
Okay, or just on water nahi, to pehla pani piyo, then you eat something, then you have your chai or coffee.
And can we have tea and coffee with a meal?
Like post breakfast, yeah, maybe, you know, so that is okay. In fact, when I wrote my first book, Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight, one of my first principles was don't start your day with tea and coffee, and my editor was like, oh god, kya marne ka hai kya? But the thing is that I now just have, so I meet so many people, I get so much feedback on email saying I have just quit my tea and coffee, I could never imagine that I could live a life like this, but now I'm living like this and I feel so much better, I've gotten so much lighter, fitter, blah blah blah. So thank you very much for all the feedback that I've been receiving. All right, one more question.
Okay, last question is, these exercise tips and diet tips, are they for everyone?
Oh yeah, they are for everyone. So they are for men and women, girls and boys, teenagers and seniors, and boomers, and everyone, millennials, and everyone in between. हर कोई कीजिए. See, the worst thing that we can do to ourselves is sit around and do nothing, or sit around and complain, or sit around and think like it's our right now to eat junk food. It isn't. Looking after our health is our responsibility. Let's just do the few things that we can, which is why it's called the Head Start project. What the weight loss industry does is that it makes losing weight, getting fit look like a really complicated task, because if it is not complicated, it can't survive, right? The industry cannot survive. But the key is, and the real thing is, the truth is that staying fit is not as complicated as it is made out to be. It doesn't require so many calculations. It doesn't require expensive food. It doesn't require expensive equipment. What it requires is your priceless commitment towards yourself, and that is easy to do. तो कीजिए वो. खुद के तरफ कमिटमेंट आपको फ्री में मिल सकता है खुद से ही, तो कीजिए. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करने से बड़ा बड़ा फिटनेस बिल्ड होता है.
ओके, सो लास्टली ये प्रोजेक्ट में हमको फॉर्म भरना है टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द प्रोजेक्ट, एंड देन एट द एंड ऑफ 5 days व्हाट ऑल बेनिफिट्स कैन वी सी?
Well, you should be able to see improved energy levels, you should be able to see lesser constipation, you should be able to see fewer mood swings, and you should also be able to see lesser acidity. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe.